Nothing gonna stop me living it up. Dancing to the backbeat, turning it up. Nothing gonna stop me living it up. Dancing to the backbeat, turning it up.
Gonna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all
First thing, it's a priority, is the camper. We got to get the camper in the right place. Once that's set, everything else falls in line.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.
So it's moving week and we're just a little tired. We've been packing for probably a week and the movers come tomorrow. So I wanted you to see a little bit what I'm doing now. Of course, Duane's doing all the boxes and I'm getting on the linens and things like that. And those of you who are selling your home to go full time, you're going to have to do some of this. You may sell a whole lot of stuff. Some people do. They sell everything they have, or they put it in storage. So the best thing to do is get something called vacuum bags. And they're space bags. They call them space bags, something like that, but they're really large. Wanted you to see what they look like. And you can put as much linens or clothes or blankets or anything that you have in them. And then you put the vacuum cleaner to it and it takes all the air out, and I'll show you some I've already done. So it takes the place of having so many boxes, and plus we can look through it and see, okay, that goes with that bed. I'll show you how it works. It's pretty fun. This bedding came from our bed down in the basement where all the kids stayed. I went ahead and got the comforter, which is a huge comforter. And then, of course, this is a mattress pad. There's the 2 pillows that go with it and 3 small pillows. And then, but I'm going to show you what you do. They have a little piece here. I'm trying to get some more stuff in here, but that way I won't have to split it up. Gets it. This is loud, so. I'm going to do a little experiment so you'll see, for those of you that have never seen these before, because you're looking at that going, that is going to ruin my bedding. So I'm just going to open it up for you. You get the air, see what it does, and it comes back just the way you have it. There you go. Don't say I never told you anything. I'll say something.
It's happening and it's real.
I just wanna spend every day with you. Happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh.
Hi, I'm Deana with the Best of the Floros. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the like button and the bell, and you'll know when we are out again. Duane's inside getting the house all put together. It's taken us a while. We wanted to give you a little update what we're doing. Obviously we're not traveling. We're just working on our house. There's some painting to do and things like that, and we're waiting on a couch to come in next week. So everything is still in disarray. I can tell I'm 12 years older since the last time we moved.
Are we having fun yet?
No.
Or what?
Anyway, we love it, but we're also excited to get back on the road and do some camping. We've made some reservations in October, but we're going to be going probably the next couple of weeks. We're near Amish country, and there's tons of campgrounds. We see RVs going by all the time, so we're excited to see this part of the country. So if you come through Ohio, look us up. You will love where this is, and there's just a lot of camping to do. So we hope you enjoyed a little bit of our video, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
This